2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda NC750X. In the realm of motorcycles designed for beginners, the 2024 Honda NC750X emerges as a versatile and adventure-ready option, offering novice riders a harmonious blend of practicality, innovation, and the renowned Honda engineering prowess. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the NC750X seamlessly combines Honda's commitment to functionality with a design that encourages riders to explore beyond the beaten path. In 2024, the NC750X continues to captivate riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of adventure motorcycling. 1. Adventure-ready design with dual-purpose appeal. The Honda NC750X features an adventure-ready design with dual-purpose appeal, setting it apart as a visually dynamic and capable option for beginner riders. With its rugged styling, tall windscreen, and commanding stance, the NC750X exudes a sense of adventure and exploration. Honda's commitment to a design that reflects the versatility of adventure touring ensures that the NC750X not only delivers a visually appealing riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the brand's dedication to bridging the gap between practicality and adventure. 2. Efficient parallel twin engine for versatile performance. At the heart of the NC750X lies an efficient 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and versatile performance. Honda's engine design focuses on providing ample low-end torque, making it an ideal choice for novice riders navigating a variety of terrains, from city streets to winding country roads. The NC750X's engine offers sufficient power for daily commuting, weekend getaways, and the excitement of venturing into the world of adventure motorcycling, providing a versatile platform for riders to embrace the spirit of exploration. 3. Nimble handling and comfortable ergonomics. Designed for nimble handling, the Honda NC750X features a chassis that strikes a balance between stability and agility. The bike's balanced geometry, commanding riding position, and user-friendly ergonomics make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through diverse landscapes, master varied riding conditions, and experience the thrill of adventure touring. The NC750X's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the joy of exploration. 4. Integrated storage compartment for practicality. Crafted for practicality, the NC750X features an innovative design element, a storage compartment where the fuel tank is conventionally located. This forward-thinking feature adds a layer of utility to the motorcycle, allowing riders to conveniently store helmets, gear, or essentials for their adventures. Honda's commitment to rider convenience makes the NC750X not only an adventurous option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for riders looking to explore the world with ease. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 NC750X seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall adventure touring experience. These include a digital instrument cluster, advanced braking systems, and Honda's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality to the adventure-ready package. Honda ensures that the NC750X remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of contemporary design with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda NC750X stands as a global icon of entry-level adventure brilliance, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its adventure-ready design, efficient parallel twin engine, nimble handling, integrated storage, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of motorcycling with a desire for exploration. Whether mastering the basics, conquering city streets with versatility, or embarking on the adventure of a lifetime, the NC750X encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible and adventurous motorcycling. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of adventure touring, the 2024 Honda NC750X rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of motorcycles for beginners.